So as I told you about the gradient effect, now this one is a gradient effect. So there are different forms of gradient effect available over here. Whichever gradient effect you want, suppose you, as I told you that there are total 5 types of gradient effect: linear, radial, rectangular, then reflected, and diamond gradient effect. So we will see one by one how to use this effect. So let's proceed with the linear gradient effect. Just click on this linear gradient effect. After clicking on this, here you will find there is some kind of stroke visible in the form of a plus. This is what you have to do with the help of your left mouse button. Just you have to start from one end and you have to drag this pointer from the one end to the other, and you have to apply a linear gradient effect. After this, next one over here is a so in this way you can apply a linear gradient effect on your image. Now next form of gradient effect over here is a radial gradient effect. Okay, next form of gradient effect over here is a radial gradient effect. So how to apply this radial gradient effect on your image? So here I will do Ctrl Z first. After that I am going to select the radial gradient effect. I have selected it. In the same way, from one end you have to start and you have to drop at other end your mouse pointer, and the radial gradient effect will be applied on your image. Radial gradient effect it is same like linear, but there is little bit change. Okay, तो इस तरीके से आप radial gradient effect आपकी image के ऊपर apply कर सकते हो. Now the next form of gradient effect, I will take some other image over here. Okay, here I selected one and okay. Now here I want some different type of gradient effect, like rectangular gradient effect. So how can I apply that rectangular gradient effect over here? For that, what you have to do, you have to select a rectangular gradient effect. After selecting, suppose you want some different color, like here it is green color in foreground, but if foreground मतलब आगे का कलर आपको जो देना है. So here you can see my mouse pointer. Just click over here. After clicking over here, whichever gradient effect you want, whichever color you want, you select over here in as a foreground and say OK. After saying OK, now we have selected radial rectangular gradient effect or angle. We have selected angle gradient effect. This one is an angle gradient effect. Just click over there, and in the same way, from the one end to the other end, just drag your mouse pointer till where you want, and you can see the radial the angle gradient effect has been applied on your image. So here see, in this way you can apply a radial gradient effect on your image. Like here I will do and see the radial gradient effect is applied, and the angle gradient effect is applied on your image in this way. Now the another way over here. Okay, ये हो गया radial gradient effect, हमने देख लिया angle gradient effect देख लिया, हमने ये वाला भी देख लिया, linear gradient effect देख लिया. Now the last two forms of gradient effect which are remaining, let's see them one by one. Okay, so here you can see that there is a there is a rectangle. It is called as a reflected gradient effect. जैसे in mirror, as we look our image in a mirror, तो कैसे थोड़ा blur दिखता है, वैसे ये linear reflected gradient effect होता है. Just I am selecting this, and from one end and to the other I am just moving, and here the reflected gradient effect has been applied. If you want to change the color, you can even change the color from here. If you want some another color, you can select it from here and you can change the color. Okay, so in this way we can apply a reflected gradient effect, okay, on our image. Now I will do Ctrl Z, means I will undo it. And now the last type of gradient effect is a diamond gradient effect. कौन सा है? Diamond gradient effect. So just select the diamond gradient effect, and I want to apply this on this rows. And ये देखिए मेरा diamond gradient effect एक जगह पे हो गया. देखिए मैं जहाँ जहाँ माउस पॉइंटर से मूव कर रही हूँ उतनी जगह पे मेरा diamond gradient effect apply हो रहा है. Like if I have applied it from one end to the other, तो यहाँ तक मेरा diamond effect apply हो रहा है. Okay, so in this way you can use different gradient effect and you can color your image. Okay, now The last point remaining from the painting tool is a color replacement tool. तो किस तरह ये कलर रिप्लेसमेंट टूल को यूज किया जाता है. ओके, तो कलर रिप्लेसमेंट टूल ना मेरे फोटोशॉप में अवेलेबल नहीं है. इट्स नॉट अवेलेबल इन माय फोटोशॉप, बट हाउ टू यूज इट वो मैं बताती हूँ. मेरा फोटोशॉप थोड़ा अलग वर्जन का है और आपके टेक्स्ट बुक में जो है वो अलग वर्जन का है. पर कैसे यूज करना है कलर रिप्लेसमेंट टूल को. तो कलर रिप्लेसमेंट टूल को किस तरह यूज किया जाता है ना, सबसे पहले ये फॉरग्राउंड कलर क्या करना है आपको. सबसे पहले ये फॉरग्राउंड इन टूल बॉक्स यू हैव टू कम ऑन अ फॉरग्राउंड कलर. ये बैकग्राउंड होता है and this one is a foreground color. You have to click on a foreground color. After clicking on a foreground color, आपको क्या करना है, you have to select a particular color whichever you want, like in blue shade if you want any of the color. Select the color. After selecting the color, say OK, and you after that you have to go on a brush tool. कहाँ जाना है, brush tool. जब आप ब्रश टूल पे जाओगे ना, वहाँ पे राइट क्लिक जब करोगे तो राइट क्लिक करने के बाद ना यहाँ पे आपको ऑप्शन मिलेगा कलर रिप्लेसमेंट टूल. कौन सा ऑप्शन मिलेगा, कलर रिप्लेसमेंट टूल. यहाँ पे कलर रिप्लेसमेंट टूल के ऊपर आपको क्लिक करने के बाद क्या करना है, आफ्टर क्लिकिंग ऑन कलर रिप्लेसमेंट टूल आपको क्या करना है, जस्ट यू हैव टू क्लिक ऑन योर इमेज. अब मेरे पास अवेलेबल नहीं है इसलिए वो नहीं मिल रहा है, बट अगर यहाँ पे आप आओगे राइट क्लिक करोगे तो ब्रश टूल के नीचे आपको मिलेगा कलर रिप्लेसमेंट टूल का ऑप्शन. उसे जब आप सिलेक्ट करोगे तो आपको वहाँ पे एक प्लस आइकॉन दिखेगा. जब आप इमेज के ऊपर आओगे तो आपको यहाँ पे प्लस साइन दिखेगा, एज इट इज इन योर टेक्स्ट बुक ऑन 102 पेज नंबर 7.4.3. that is color replacement tool. In that third point over there it is told color replacement tool. There will be that same icon available when you will right click over here. उसके बाद जब यहाँ पे आओगे तो एक प्लस आएगा और उसके अंदर उसके साइड में राउंड रहेगा, एज इट इज ओवर हियर ऐसा ही राउंड रहेगा और उसके अंदर प्लस रहेगा. जस्ट यू हैव टू क्लिक ऑन द इमेज और आपकी इमेज का कलर क्या है, चेंज हो जाएगा. ओके, सो इन दिस वे यू कैन यूज ऑल दिस टाइप्स ऑफ paint tools in your Photoshop. Okay, so here today what we have done, we have studied all the types of selection tools. After that we have seen how to use a crop tool, how to use a move tool, and how to use a paint tool. Now remaining three types of tools, they are drawing tool, retouching tool, and working with text. We will see in next lecture. If the lab is clean, we will see it in a lab, or else I will send you a video tomorrow. Okay, but it's compulsory for everyone to watch this video properly and understand it, because I have shown everything practically over here. Okay, so thank you.